bafuna urhulumende ezwe begodu abezwisise nenililo zabo. Amalunga we-Cosatu athethe umtshakala ujingiseka bentoropa yeThekwini ukuyokuzwakalisa inililo zawo. Bathi urhulumende akangenelele njenganje mayelana nokuphungula intengo zeembaseli. Unobhala zombelele we-Cosatu uBheki Ntshalintshali uthi urhulumende nakabhalelwa kusiza endabeni le kuyogcina ngokubetheka kumbi khulu emnothweni wenarha le.
The country is in crisis. The issue must be addressed. The president must have to intervene. He can't just throw his hand in the air and say certain ministers are responsible. We think the cabinet, the parliament is responsible for this.
UNtshalintshalii ubawe nokuthi ikomishini yezokuphalisana iphenye ezinye intengo eziphezulu ezisekudleni.
The high prices that we have seen, particularly on food, suggest to us without actual information, without facts, whether it has been increased to the same level of the petrol price. In other words, are they not thumb sucking? Are they not putting higher than the impact of the petrol price? We think they can make a random samples and be able to determine that and be able to say that those who are doing it, because we strongly believe there are people who are taking chances on this.
I-Cosatu ithi izoqinisa umtshakalo wayo nangabe inililo zayo azilalelwa.